Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Adobe Express on your mobile device. To download Adobe Express on your mobile device, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, search for Adobe Express. Once you find this application in the search result, tap on the download button or the get button or the install button to start downloading the application on your mobile device. Wait for a couple of minutes and you will then be able to download Adobe Express on your phone instantly. After the application is installed, tap on Open to launch Open Adobe Express on your mobile device. And that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.